Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix X algorithm. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your X app or your Twitter app, and here on the home screen, for some reason if a post is appearing that you don't want to see, then what you need to do is just simply select that account, and all you gotta do is just simply unfollow it, or simply tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then here all you gotta do is remove from list. And once you do that, scroll down and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then go to the search bar, and here you'll have your search list, right? Simply tap on search more, and now check to see if any of the topics that you are not interested to is present right here. Tap on the three dot icon right next to that search, and here tap on not interested. Simply do this to the options so that you don't want to see, and once you do that, go back and then go to the top and refresh the home page. That's basically gonna change the algorithm because of what you want to do. And here simply like the post and unlike the post as well, and once you do that, that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.